Okay guys, thank you for waiting. The video was supposed to be this weekend, but I kinda lose my voice a little bit, but that's okay. I will do this now. I have a little bit of voice now, okay? So first things first, okay? If you want get rich quick scheme, this is not the video for you. You will have to go somebody else. I do not do that. Get rich quick, okay? I do not have a courses. I do not have a Discord, okay? I am just telling you. And if you have questions, if you're on my Instagram, I always answer the question. Sometimes they take a little bit longer because I'm busy, I'm working too. But I will always try to reply because, this is a knowledge. I want to spread the knowledge. It is not supposed to be secret. The thing is, everybody knows it, but they don't want to do it. Everybody want to get rich, but nobody want to do the work to get rich, okay? So, okay. Why you should not trade, huh? Especially if you're beginner, okay? For example, okay, you are on the Robinhood app, okay? You're on your lunch break. You are toot, 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 toot. You think you're faster than an AI, huh? For example, NVIDIA, okay? It hit, let's say, $195. Let's say that. So you buy that. And then it hit $200, for example, you want to sell that. Well, you're fighting against the robots, the institutions, the professional traders. Even them, they don't really know what they're doing because the charts is just one part of information that you need to make a successful trades, okay? So my advice, do not trade yet, okay? If you want to trade later, okay, that's fine. But first, you have to read the books on how to trade, how to be disciplined, what else? Do not give up because, the market, up and down, up and down. If you look at every day, oh my gosh, sometimes you lose a lot of money. Sometimes you lose, 2,000. Okay, for example lang, I don't have this. Okay. For example, one day you are up 5,000. You're very happy. But you're like, oh, I think it will go up more. A lot of people will do that. They will try to squeeze the little bit more profits. And that is why I'm saying the self-discipline, okay, is very important for this. So, okay. Anyways, back to investing. My suggestion, okay, I have Fidelities, the bank that I use for the investing. First of all, I think you should try out 401k. If you have at work, do that for sure. If you don't have one, you can open a Roth IRA, okay? At the Fidelity, there's Charles Schwab, there is Bank of America, any bank, they have this, okay? Do not use any other app. Actually, I was watching YouTube video. This guy say, if you download my app, I will help you do the trades. Okay? The guy put the monies in the app. There is a fake information that he is making money. It say that, oh, okay, your 1,000 is now 5,000, huh? But it's fake. They use the 1,000 to fund their lifestyle. They will rent a Lamborghini for their video. They are not buying that. If you don't believe me, ask them for the registration. Okay? Ask them for registration. Ask them for the title of the vehicle. They will not provide. Same with the house. You ask them, okay, show me the mortgage. Show me the title. They cannot provide because it is fake. It's not there. Okay? It's not real. I'm telling you this now. Please listen to me. They are not going to help you. But me, if you don't want to listen to me, that's okay. I'm just some guy in the internet, huh? And okay, day trader success rates. I looked this up, huh? You can do it yourself. You go to ChatGPT, huh? Day trader success rates, okay? 80 to 90% will lose money. You think you are the top 10% of that? I think they are lowballing this number because I met many traders before. And a lot of them lose the money. They get a lot of money, huh? They make it a lot. But they will overtrade. They will get too confident. Trade all their monies. The money's gone because, like I said, nobody can predict this market. If you say, somebody tell you, oh, I know this will go up. This will go up definitely. Do not listen to them. They're stupid. They don't know, okay? And so, another thing, if you are relying on day trading as income, you think you will find a trades every single days, huh? And you will not lose money? You will only gain monies every single days? You try it out. You pretend to trade. You will write down the stock, okay? Write down the stock. How much it is. So you pretend to buy, okay? Let's say later that day, you want to look again. You look at the price. Maybe it's 190. Okay, you thought it was going to 200. It go down 190 instead. Anything can happen. Anything can happen in the market. They can do tariffs. Huh? This is not political. I'm just saying. There can be a tariff. Then they remove the tariff. Now, if you have a put option, the put option means that you want the stock to go down. You buy a stock option and they turn up the tariffs, then your money is gone because the market go up. You did not expect that. You know what I'm saying? So, my recommendation, okay, is the OpenA Roth IRA if you are have that at your job. If you do not have or you want to add more monies, you will open a Roth IRA. There's two. I can do different video, Roth versus traditional, but there's a lot in the internet already. If you want it, let me know in the comments. Okay, I will make that. I'll try to make it easy. I'll try to make understandable, because I have degrees in the teaching, okay, there. So I know how to teach. I can teach you pretty good because I have a background for that. Okay, so let's say you open the account, you open the, let's say, Roth IRA in Fidelities. Okay, let's say that. You just put $50 here and there, slowly, whatever you can afford. You do not put all of the money because if you put all of your monies, the markets go down. Your heart will break. It will say, okay, let's pretend 1,000, huh? The markets go down. Now you only have 400. Now you're sad. Now you're selling because you need the money. You are scared it will go down more. So you panic, okay? You panic. And then you lose the money, okay? But if you have a long-term horizon, it will take time, okay? It's called compounding. It will take time. So, let's say you put $50 every week, every month, something like that. The average return annual for the S&P 500. So you can buy this S&P 500 actually, VOO, okay? VOO. You could do that. It's a Vanguard S&P 500. Historically, 10% average annual, okay? Your savings account, 0.1%, okay? If you are trading, you're negative 10%, probably, maybe with negative 100. I'm telling you this now. If you do not listen, that's okay. That's not my money. That is your money. You want to lose your money, okay? So, again, why you shouldn't trade, huh? The trading is very stressful. I do this for a little bit. I could not sleep. I was trading all the time. Sometimes I lose, sometimes I win. But, I can see that minus $5,000, but to me, I can just suck it off. Okay, suck it off. Maybe it will go off. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. The thing is, you don't win all the time. You will lose, but not everybody has the, what you call this, the balls. Okay, they don't have the balls to see that they are losing 70%. They will sell right away, but next day maybe you're up 30%. So okay, you sold too early, you take the loss, but next day is go up. So now what? You're sad, okay? And you know, I do still trade a little bit here and there, the call options, okay? But I did this for about I don't know, 4 or 5 years. 5 years of trading experience in the stock market. I started 2010 when I graduate from high schools. Okay, I graduate high schools. I save up money because I was working in high school. Okay, I save up $1,000. I put it inside the, I forget the bank. Actually, Ally Invest. Ally Invest. I use them. $1,000. I buy some stock. You know, some Facebook, some Tesla. What do you call this? Apple, Microsoft. You know, the stock that everybody know. Okay. It's not guaranteed because, like I said, sometimes the market go down. I get lucky, huh? I get lucky that the stocks I pick, they go up. So luckily, I make a wise decision there because I do a research. Okay, you have to do a research. What will move the stock? What is the CEO doing? Stuff like that. You know, okay, I'm a little bit over the 10 minutes, but okay. One last message. You do not need to trade if you want to get rich. There is no such thing as get rich quick. I'm telling you this now. Everybody I know that try to do get rich quick, instead they get poor quick, okay? They lose the money from over trading. They get overconfident, lose the money again. You know, sometimes they win, okay? I will give them that. Sometimes you win because if you're smart, if you know what you're doing, sometimes you can just see it and boom, you know what to do. So like that, okay? You can win like that. But only if you have that experience, okay? For me, over 15 years experience. Actually, 16 now because it's 2026. Yeah, I have 16 years experience in the stock market watching it. Even in high school, it's interesting to me because I took a finance class, okay? And they teach a little bit about that, but not so much. And actually, there was not that many people in that class. So I was able to learn pretty good. So after high school, you know, I remember that. I put a little bit of monies. Honestly, I should have just put SPY or VOO, VOO. Because that will always almost guarantee the money, okay? Unless it's, you know, 2008 crash. But I hope this video was a little bit helpful. It's kind of all over the place because I'm a little bit sick. If you want, I can do like a PowerPoints, okay, PowerPoints presentation there. I can make it if you want. You just put in the comments, or if you have a topic that you want me to cover, I will try my best to answer that. So for now, if you don't have if you have questions, I will reply in the comments here in the YouTube. But also, if you have Instagrams, I will reply to you there as soon as possible. Because, like I said, I have a job too. I have, you know, a families. But I really do want to help the peoples out there to be rich. Because I don't want them to get scammed, okay? So, hopefully, you like this video. Next week, we will do another one. I'm not sure the topic yet, but if somebody recommends something in the comments, okay, I will do that. Okay, thank you for waiting. Sorry, the wait, ha? I forget to because sick. Okay, bye-bye.